This ain't no halo over my head, bitch. But dear God, can you forgive the sinner for everything I done did since my beginning? Because the devil around me so much that you would think I got a death wish. Yeah, and the voices in my head get louder, watching my career disappear like powder. Wish I could rewind those hours and get my life back. Strike that, clinging to this weed like a life jacket. Fuck rapping, I was really living everything that I was spitting, bitch, once had. Fights daily, nights crazy, dream chase until the drugs came. And I was chopping up them bitches like Jason. Had a motherfucker's face laying on the cold pavement. Wake up, take 'em, now I feel sane. Spending every penny in the studio slave. Me and my mob working any odd job, praying that this little dream was gonna feed our baby. Save me, Lord, save me, Lord. What the fuck is this curse you gave me, Lord? Everybody think I finally made it, Lord, but all I am now is a slave, my God.